Sangena phakathi inside kanjalo siyayiphakamisa sishiye kwenye on the highest note the last episode we're on to another one and singenile deep phakathi inside onyakeni we are more towards le build up yama elections and if you know and uyazi ukuthi kahle kahle singadlali ngoncathathu singadlali ngoX vote for the right ones we've tried izinto mayengasipani kufana basemshadweni bayaphuma abangangizwanga ke one miss call abangizwile ke asenzeni into right ke niyazi ukuthi senzana ngithi kulonyaka. Grace and peace. I really hope this finds you well and in awesome, dope and wonderful spirits. Welcome to it. This is Rings and Bearings, where we are talking about the issues of life and more. Got my lady in the building, in the studio. So behind the scenes, I'm saying to her, yay, uyamazulu Peter Nyongo. Uthi yes, ngithi yay, lela international. I'm sure if ungangena in the streets of Europe, akusasekuseni bakushadile straight abafuni. Abantu abahle base-Africa kanje babathanda kabi. How are you, my sister?
I'm good, thanks, and you?
I'm all right, man. All right?
Ngiyaphila.
Yey, kuhle nami myself and ukhuluma isiZulu.
Yeah.
Is it?
Yes.
Umhlobo bani?
Ubaba umZulu, umama isitsonga.
Yes. Oh, okay. Umama wami bekuyitsonga self ukhoza nene neshuthi si kanje mina nawe uyaligned. Yeah, ubekwa yini namhlanje in the building. Yazi story sakho bathi ngathi hey pause. Le story lezi ezibhlungu lezi zi problem. Istory sakho esani mangathi uyas underline kahle.
Istory sami it's about survival. Yeah. I'm a survivor basically.
Yeah.
In all aspects of life.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Should we write a book about it?
I'm thinking about it, but I don't know where to start.
Have you tried reaching out or it never crossed your mind that I could write a book?
It has crossed my mind, but angazi ukuthi ngicale phi, who do I firstly reach out to? Izinto ezinjalo.
Useka impela. So susala amabhodlela next time sibeka incwadi yakho. No, we can assist, we can help. Olida Harmony, they know that's what we do best. No, asingene kuyo nje straight this episode. Unabazali?
Cha, nginabazali.
Yeah, mara sintandane ku Kresu azikho intandane. Kwahamba umama baningi abomama abanye bakhona noma ngeke kubuye kufane kwesinye isikhathi hey bengifatigued ngibuya eGeorge nice ngathi Western Cape mangisuka ngaye KZN Durban ngabuya ngaye Mafikeng like in 3 consecutive days ngathi I'm fatigued ngithi umama wami ifibeke khona esaphila bekovela athi hayi khona cimane mthatheleni cell phone there is no way mntana makahambi. Now story it's about you, not about Themba Lukhela. I wanted people to relax khona bebathatha amanzi nani while they are settling in. Kunesizathu mhlambe nembangela why are you saying anginabazali? What happened to your parents?
Both of them passed away. Yeah. But umuntu oyebashona kuqala was umama.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you mind sharing what happened? How did you pass on?
Umama was murdered by my father. So it happened 1999. New Year's Eve. Besihleli endlini. They were siyabaphuma emini.
Yeah.
It was only the 3 of us endlini. Butwami was kugogo. Bekavakashela ugogo. Besihleli endlini and then masibuya an argument broke. I don't remember basically the argument, but I remember which it was between umama and ubaba, and they were arguing about me and my brother. Yabo, at some point, ubaba athatha umese. Makathatha umese akwaze umama itla entameni, then enye ibela ibeleni, and then umama uphelelwa amandla makajika amgwaze ngapha emqolo, and then ahlale phansi umama ubaba yekamereni abuye nentambo because iBramfisher was still a developing place. RDP wasanda kuphuma bo kungana gesi besiphila ngamaparafini namaprama stove. There was itin leli lakudala leli le paraffin abuye nalo baba abuye nentambo abuye nalelo tin lelo amfasele esitulweni amthele ngaleyo paraffin amshise.
Hey man.
So
Where were you at that time?
I was sitting down, bengidlala mina le phansi.
How old were you?
I was 3 years old.
So the screams and all of that ingqondo yomuntu, and obviously man lokhu isikhathi abantu bayanitshela kwenzeka lokhu nalokhu mhlawumbe amaphoyisa, there are records of course of what
Yes.
happened. Nawe lokhu uyarecollecta ukuthi kwenzakaleni.
Yes.
So what do you still remember anything when and eyenzakala on that day?
I remember everything that happened that day. I cannot forget everything. I used to be triggered by izinto ezincane, like umuntu maka light umentshisi phambi kwami beyizobuya leya nto leya. And that's when I started developing epilepsy. Yeah, I started developing seizures due to all of that trauma yebayenzakala.
You. So bowenza bowa or something.
Yeah, bengiwa.
So now umlilo uyavutha and then kwenzakaleni ke from lapho?
And then ubaba waphuma ngewindow. Wahamba. Washiya mina nomama ngaphakathi. Because it was the 31st. I think makushaya u-1. Umakhelwane uyi-1 wami uyeza uzochecka umama ukuthi hey Maki, happy new year, it's a new house, it's a new year, you are getting married. And then ubona ngomlilo, and then umama amemeze athi Soli khipha untokozo endlini. And then lo baba lona vela yenze kanjalo. Then umama yena waphuma asha cause bekasha. She was trying to ukuthi asicime. Then yeah, bangikhipha bangibeka laphayana, then bafonela amaphoyisa.
You. Ningakhi kini?
C2.
Yeah. Omunye bekana ngakhi at that time?
Ubhuti wami bekana 10.
Yeah. Yena mbeka mdalanyana.
Yeah.
Uye at least okhona ukukhumbula kahle.
Yeah.
Then ukuphela kwempilo yaka mama on that day, or what happened?
Umama survived for 2 days. And then washona nge-3 zaka January.
So the wounds were like hectic.
Mina the way manje mangimdala ngibona ngathi cause of uyebasha and uyebagwazwa.
Yeah.
And back then akunamuntu okhulumile ngalento yokugwazwa until kuvela i-police report. They couldn't know ukuthi esibhedlela maybe bacabanga ukuthi ushile nje kuphela. Azange bayibona lento le yokugwazwa until kutholakala i-murder weapon.
Postmortem, none.
Yeah.
You. Now that you have a family, kunabantu perhaps who are going through the same, dynamics in their families. How did the family treat this case? Wherein the people abayithu love birds and they were in love, and then the story of love turned and became a disaster or a sad ending story, to say the least. So if Emily, how did they treat Lento? Obviously no gogo from inside Gababa, nabo gogo and from inside Mama.
Yeah. In my mother's side, it broke, it torn, it was bad. It hereby destroyed family. In my mother's side. Because there was blame. People used to blame each other. Yeah. Then my father's side, they were silent. There was only Aunt Wami, my late aunt, may God rest her soul. There was only her who was available for us. She was the only one present. From my father's side, we don't know. But we've never seen them in our lives. We only saw them when ubaba shona. Yeah. But aside in laga mama, yeba cause a division kakhulu cause gogo yeba gula naye. She couldn't come to terms the way umntana kashone ngakhona. And then umkhulu wami was angry, umalume was angry. They wanted justice but never got justice. So bugui division nje. Yeah.
Maybe if you may take us through their period. I know those were trying times in your lives, but you still remember, these eventualities or these events. nge-order yakhona. In terms of police, abomakhelwane, and it was evident enough ukuthi lento enzakala endlini clearly khona umuntu ophume ngewindow nani. I-treatment yayo yonke lento ihambe njani? Was he arrested? Kwenzakalani?
Ubaba bekayisotsha. So the way sizwa ngakhona from amaphoyisa is that umuntu oyisotsha akabopha amaphoyisa straight, kumele kube nama-military police. So I don't know ukuthi kuyenzakaleni afterwards because nami baye bangithatha. I went to a foster home for a few days. Yeah, I was living in a foster home until umamkhulu wami, my late mamkhulu wami lo washona, wazama indlela yokuthi ama-social worker angangithathi. Yeah, and then kulana ngizobuya eJardini. Yeah.
Let's talk about the funeral arrangements. Umncane of course, but bakutshelile yabo, bakunika i-report mhlawumbe lokukhulu bamdala. Kusetshenzwe kanjani umsebenzi kamama, seeing that ngishilo ngathi kunalama families nalama dynamics esewekhona? Did he own up lo muntu? Ngiyazi ukuthi bathi mele kuze military police azoboshwa nani. Did he show some remorse? Did he hand himself over eventually, or wagcina aboshiwe uke waboshwa yini?
Akaboshwanga. Uye bahlala 3 days emaselini and then waphuma. Back then he didn't have remorse. Back then he was not remorseful. He didn't show remorse because after doing this incident uye bafonela ugogo. Watshela ugogo ukuthi inja yakho uzoyithola egovernment mortuary.
Okay, in the spare of that moment, okay, let me take you back. Ngendlela okhuluma ngayo. What is your standing with your dad in as much as he is late? The honest, feeling that you have.
Honestly, I'm angry. Now that I'm older, I want answers that manje because he's gone, I won't get. Ngiyebaya kuye before shona and asked ukuthi what happened. Because into yena ishilo ku statement sakhe emaphoyiseni uthe umama is suicide. How can umuntu azigwaza aphinda sithele ngeparafina sishise? It doesn't make sense. Exactly. And I wanted to know yokuthi why did he leave me there? Because kunomlilo la endlini. Wena uyaphuma uyi-1 and ushiya mina. Did you also want me to die in that process? So I have these questions that I know that angeke siphenduliwe. And even though at some point ngiyandlulisa, but kunalana zinokufika khona kunamalanga whereby zafika lezi zinto lezi ngifuna ama-answers but angeke ngiwathole.
Ngiphi tissue chief? I know, man. You know, ngiyazibuza mina man yazi ukuthi the people who put people through ama experiences afana lawa. Well ngiyakubona ukulwa abantu baphila nabantu kungaliwa abantu bayashana kunjani at this sound bayaphila, but to a point where omunye umuntu abulala umuntu kanti what really happened to humanity? Is it human nature? Hey, bekumbuzo mhlambe, maybe we could answer this good comment section, because these episodes I do them. I remember one of the pastors angibuza ukuthi do you go for therapy chief? You listen, you incubate, kune intake information, and do you let out, do you really try sometimes to balance lento? By the grace we are surviving. As you are liking and subscribing and commenting on this episode, we are still growing the community. Bring your stories forth. We want to change lives. So the coping mechanism, Sisi, what was that one thing that you kept maybe repeatedly doing? Uguti, let me maybe numb the pain. Let me try to forget about Lento. Time is the only healer of mankind, of course, but there must be a few things mhlambe bezenzeka around that time?
Before now that I'm healing, the coping mechanism yam was pleasing people. I used to want abanye abantu bajabule, and mina bengizohlala nginalento leyo ukuthi no, it's fine. Nanoma ngekho happy, be alone. Ngihlale ngisivalele. I'm not someone ophumayo. I don't go out. I'm always indoors. So my coping mechanism is listening to music and then being indoors. Yeah.
Was it somewhat you question your self-hate, mhlambe you did not appreciate certain things? I'm saying this because we are helping someone. There's someone who's going through the same state, but when you overcame. So we want to know the current at that time and now the reality, which is the future.
It was not self-hate. It was trying to find something that I never had.
Distract.
Yeah. You know, I don't celebrate Mother's Day because angilazi uthando laka mama. She was only in my life for 3 years and then she was taken away from me. So I used to go out there, like even my friends now, abantu engibloma nabo, abantu engihlala nabo, abantu abadala, because I'm still looking for lolo thando lolo engalitholanga ukwela kamama. Yeah. So it's how I deal with things. I know I see the best way to deal with it, but it's helping me right now.
But getting through day by day, kuneyikolo ezikhona who taught you church, who taught you how to dress up, ugeza, isimilo, who was teaching all of these things? Because obviously behind the scenes, mothers are at the center of yonke lento.
So after my mother's death, baby, I went from one household to another. I didn't have a stable place to stay until ugogo aba right emzimbeni. So umamkhulu wami bokuye umuntu odlala irole enkulu, uye nomntanakhe uLindi. They played a huge role in my life. Yeah. So nanoma bangangifundisanga ezinye izinto, but ezinye ngikwazile ukuzifunda from them. Yabo njengokuthi how to dress. Usisi wami loved fashion. So bekasithandela izinto. Ngafunda kuye ke fashion. Nanoma ngalastanga emhlabeni isikhathi eside. But my sister was a fashion icon. So ezinye izinto ngisifunde kuye. Yeah.
So umbuzo ke mhlambe kule episode ngoba iyasinda yona, but people would want to know ukuthi umenziwa yena uhambile but kusele umenzi. What now happened to the perpetrator in this case that happens to be your dad, the person in question? Kwenzakalani ngaye?
Ubaba uye bagula. Then washona, I think it was 2007.
How old were you at this time?
I was 10.
Oh, so brother wakho.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was 2007 mangashona ubaba bekagula. Yeah, njengoba ngisho we don't have information eningi about the father's side. Uye baza a week before azo apologize for everything ayebayenza. And then asitshela ukuthi bekangazi ukuthi kenzakaleni, ungene uSathane. So we are apologize. If he could turn back the hands of time, he could. And then a week later, we received a call ukuthi ushonile.
So uzileta ekhaya beke terminally ill, manimbheka nina njengoba ezazoxolisa besekazi ukuthi uyayibona indlela yakhe.
Akazilethanga makeza ubaba. I had questions at 10. Ngitshela ugogo ukuthi yazi ngiphuphe lo muntu lo so, and then ugogo ngitshengisa isithombe sakhe ubaba wakho lo muntu omphuphile. Yeah, athi kimi uyafuna ukumbona, ngithi ya ngiyafuna ukumbona. Bathumela ubhuti wami e-Orlando yokuthi go uyolanda uJacob. Vele makafika ufike bekangekho right, you could see ukuthi there's something going on. Bekangekho sharp health wise, bekawondile. He was a big man, bekanama muscles, but makeza kithi bewubona ukuthi something is wrong. Yeah.
So mawuthi bamlanda eOrlando beza naye or bathumela umntwana uThailand uJacob. Bona 3 so una 10. Kule 7 years enye kwenzakaleni?
Kule 7 years enye besiba nama monitored visits. Besizomvakashela mara in a public space. Besikwazi ukumvakashela if usisi wami ukhona, because uyena ugogo bebanga communicate that much. Besovakasha if usisi wami ukhona or umamkhulu ukhona or umalume ukhona in a public space, a mall. He was not allowed ukuthi ahambe nathi. Yeah. We were not even allowed ukuthi simvakashele without umuntu omdala being present.
Did he carry on yena ngempilo yakhe? Did he move on as in hopping into another relationship and then life goes on?
Yena he was in another relationship, but he never moved on the way mina ngiyibone ngakhona. Yeah.
But now umbuzo uthi kune community, kune case eshiwe ilenga, lo muntu abamazi ungenile 3 days uyaphuma police station and there would always be word around, you know, abantu bayakhuluma. So how were they perceiving him, the community, to say we are living here with the perpetrator, we are living here with someone onobulwane, and this someone bekangakaveli of course kini until that 7 years later mase decide ukuthi hayi sekabona indlela yakhe. Bebemperceive kanjani abantu la niphila khona?
eBramfisher sikhulela ngakhona njengoba ngisho we were moved like around until ugogaza aba right. eBramfisher, now that we are part of that community, we are back there. And then bangibona ngena lapha endlini but how uhlala lapha umntana walapha. And then I'm like, yeah, Ntokozo, how wena yazi umama akho makashona besikhona. So i-community yona every time abangibona kuba nalento le isono, yazi umama lo mntana ushone kabuhlungu. Yeah, mabangibona bahlale basho shame. Yeah. Kuhlale kuyi shame, and the community had no say back then. Yeah.
What I know about lama cases like the Shafayana Lawa, I might speak under correction. Abantu abazalwa isimo lesi bagcine ba abuseka na, meaning if you move and you decide ukuyongena emjolweni, were you not affected in the love life? Because abantu bavele once bathola le story, men would immediately, you know, arm's length in kunaleyo ntonyana leyo. How was the treatment mhlambe in the relationships that you had maso start ukungena emjolweni until now?
The relationships I had, I was lucky because God blessed me. Yeah. My past relationships, I was lucky because God gave me abantu aba understand the situation and didn't want to take advantage of the situation.
Thank God.
I used to be angry at men until I found one person who made me understand that not all men are like my father. I bonke bayafana. And then lapho perception yam change. And then even though we've broken up and have our own differences, umjolo wise, it doesn't affect me as much because I think it made me stronger emjolweni, because now I know I'm a red flags. Yabona manje masekacala ukuba so uzoba kanje. Now I know I'm a red flags yokuthi what I should do and what I should not do. Yeah.
Sure. Are you in a relationship currently?
Yes, I am.
So when you talk about or when you tell your story, do you perhaps say, this is my story, I own my narrative? Do you make him understand ukuthi man look because nizophuma nihamba niyemall niyakuphi nani ubalekela le situation ka Hashem or nayo uthi no man, I encourage you, for you to heal you must talk about your story?
Yes, uthi I must talk about the story. Uhashem uhlala ukhona, especially when you are a survivor.
Yeah.
I don't call myself a victim because it didn't
You
cage
survived.
me. I survived.
Yeah.
So me speaking out in story Sam, it means I'm able to help others. Abagu similar situation or umuntu officer the same things because gule South Africa's pilawo. I'm not the only survivor. Sibaning and abaning abafuna ukukhuluma ngezitori zabo because they are afraid of being charged. And story less so ukuthi uphilile doesn't define or ayibambi ukuthi impilo angeke iye phambili. It's not supposed to bring me down, but it's supposed to lift me up. Because they say uNkulunkulu unikeza abantu aba strong ama battles afana nalanga.
Toughest battles to be strong as warriors.
I believe that mina being a survivor, I will help other kids out there who are going through the similar situation.
Now, let's talk about the effects, Zalen, because masiqala ukukhuluma uthe wena I'm a survivor. Izinto eziningi. So angazi ubuningi bami busho ukuthi ubuningi. So I'm not sure ukuthi ubuningi bakho ubukhuluma ama incidents are different or you are referring to this one incident.
Our incidents are different. Asina family thina. We've lost umalume, we've lost umkhulu, we've lost ugogo, we've lost auntie. It's just us kids. And umfazi kamalume yithi nje kuphela esizothi these are the family from ugogo. The others are extended family members. When I say I've survived, ukushona kamamam, I was blamed by the extended family members because umuntu obulala umama was ubaba wami, not ubaba kabhuti. So you like bebazothi maba argue nogogo kuba nokulwa ngasitsheli nalo mzukulu wakho lona umntana wombulali. I was known ngaleyo nto leyo.
Una 3 wena bakufake kuleyo nto leyo.
Yes, I grew up ngaleyo nto leyo. Every time when they argued bazofaka ukuthi wena ungakhohlwa ukuthi ubabakho wabulala umamakho. And nakubhuti wami bayenza resentment towards me because at some point naye ngokunga understand ezinye izinto uye bafila ngathi I'm accountable ukuthi bengikhona or I was the reason yokuthi ashona.
Ubaba ubulale umama.
Yeah.
Umama womfana. Umama kabhuti wakho.
Umama sishare umama nobhuti
share umama share ubaba. Yes, no, I got it twisted. Bekubaba, sorry about that. So uphi yena owakhe?
Owakhe naye washona. Yeah.
Oh. So dealing with the situation efana le, I want us to focus on what you guys go through. Because umuntu akutshela ukuthi uyakhuluma about understand. So I want you to make us understand that people, they don't really understand the difficulties and the challenges that come.
What I go through, and it happens a lot. People will always say it happened 25 years back. You should forget by now. Abantu bazoku-expect ukuthi undlule kule situation le, like nothing happened. And they will always say, hayi mina ngikholwa ukuthi wena uyayikhumbula zonke lezi zinto lezi. Yeah. They like even nanoma ngisasemncane mangiwa estradeni, they would say ukuthi uyasenzisa ufuna attention. not knowing i-story ukuthi kuyenzakaleni and ukuthi sing-affecte kangakanani. They would always speak ill about umama wami. They would always say uzibulele mos,
Eish.
not knowing ukuthi what happened.
Yeah. Yo, yeah, ngiyafisa ukuyivala. But now, ngisafisa ukuthola like kuleya meeting njengoba ugogo beke khona eza lo menzi wobubi who happened to be your dad. Uyahlala uthi my dad bese uthi may his soul rest in peace, or you are saying eish uNkulunkulu kuzomela abone because I can't, maybe my mom's soul may rest in peace, or do you say that his DNA lives in me so I'm forced ukuthi mhlambe ngi-understand and align?
I believe that his DNA lives in me. I'm forced to understand. I'm forced to understand. Nanoma kunzima uku-understand, but I'm forced to understand.
If he was alive now that you are older, you are wiser, yini into obungambuza yona kahle kahle? Ama-questions onawo for yena bekuyimaphi lama-questions? Perhaps you are sending the energy to the universe ukuthi hey uNkulunkulu uzangiphendula wena ngoba kahle kahle umnikazi wendaba akekho, but nazi into bengifisa ukuzibuza.
Bengifuna ukubuza ukuthi makangishiya laphaya, what was his intention?
Indli futhi.
Yeah. And I had questions ukuthi why did you want to fight for custody yomntana umshiyile laphayana ukuthi ashone?
At some point you wanted to fight
Yeah.
for custody.
Why would you want to fight for umuntu okade wena ungayiboni value yokuthi aphile the time wenza into wrong? I would ask him ukuthi umuntu wokucala uye bangizwisa ubuhlungu. There's no other man ozongiheta the way angihete ngakhona.
man.
And why? What was the reason? Because the only answer I got magaza 2007 was akazi ukuthi yini bemngenile.
Hey, mhlambe this is the reason why we always are wearing shades. You know, I get teary eyes, you know, uchokeka even evoicing because it's really unbelievable, man, you know, and why would people go through so much pain? Hey, you're going through the greatest fairness of life. Abantu bayasha straight bayavuta. Yo, you know, I'm literally stunned, you know, mau starstruck because you still struck in awe, in disbelief. Would kanti grand njani? But anyway, because this is where we are and this is where we find ourselves, maybe there would be a dose or so or apply in your life with nayi principle yam, so that people bakwazi ukuthi nabo badlule ezintweni or badlulise or bamove. Lento we asithi naku ziyafika izinto ziyabuya, ushilo ukuthi bona ama triggers, bona ama traumas wazi wa developer ezinye zezinto yabona. How are you getting by?
The biggest way I'm getting by is through the community. I do community leaderships. I help children with homeworks. I do after school programs.
Nice,
So izinto ezingenza ukuthi ngingacabangi ngayo kakhulu. And for the longest time I was lost and didn't have faith until I found God. Yeah, for the longest time I kept on questioning the presence of uNkulunkulu empilweni yami until I found God. And njengoba ngithola uNkulunkulu, it's like the biggest thing that can ever happen to me, because I'm now happier ngezinye izinto ekade ngingasijabuleli, but ngiyabonga impilo nokuvuka every day. Yeah.
You are so calm, you know, you bring so much peace. I'm sure even kumuntu ohleli othi mina yamahawukela lo sisi scheme ngathi awumuzwa lo muntu lo lento inzima. I see you are with the great leadership. Is he your brother?
Yes, he is.
Is it? How old is he?
Ubaneluna 22.
Oh, So uye unaye umntana kini
No, umntana kamamkhulu.
Oh,
Yeah.
ubanele. No, I love his energy. I was talking to him mangifika la ngithi hayi leadership manje lokuthi hayi yena mubi la ngithi hey mina girls ngithi hey wena banele uzawubethwa ndini njani nge-girls. No, thank you Sisi. I've got plenty of questions. I've got a lot of questions, but the aim of this show is not to evoke my emotions, is not to persuade people to relive the past. We try to bury the past. We can't forget, but we can forgive. So the biggest question on the platform facing that camera, have you forgiven? Firstly, qala ngawe and uyi-one and say, okay, I've made peace. Have you forgiven your dad?
No, I haven't forgiven my dad. It's still difficult to forgive him without answers. Yeah.
You know, Mina, I you know the way you are so honest and so pure. There are people who are doing stuff for TV. Abanye, they are doing it for numbers, for masses, for the gram, for TikTok, but I can tell that this is life. This is real life, and you are so authentic. May the good Lord bless you, and izinto zivuleke. But now our responsibility, I would ask Usisi and Eche to leave numbers. She's working, she's doing community work. There are a lot of things that still needs to happen. But most of all, I want you to send some love through prayers. And we pray for the family. There's still a struggle here and there. She's moved on. She's in the relationship. But we want things to move orderly. When she thinks about ezinye izinto, kube ne positive energy. So please leave your numbers. People will hug you with the prayer. People who wants to support your ministry, people who wants to support your vision, people who wants to have lunch with you to say, look, my daughter, mama, I've interviewed abantu abaningi and kwaba nabantu abangifonela kunomunye umama ongifonela uthi hey le ntombazana ointerviewile sengihlala ngi1 ngilinde nje amalanga ami bokuphila mawaphela imali yami izaziye ku charity, but I wanted to come azosebenza nami. And I know I don't need a helper that much, but I love her. Please give me the numbers, I'll adopt her and take responsibility. So there are people like that who are saying, Sifuna ukungena. Now we're not stretching it too thin. We have exhausted for this one. I hope Sekhaya nikhululekile and likhotofetse. I've asked the most critical questions because we don't want people ukuthi babe namatrom. But let's give them your numbers and then that's how we wrap the episode.
Okay, my numbers are 068-298-0253.
Can we repeat it again for the last time?
They are 068-298-0253.
Now, I'm sure niyazi ukuthi neBhayibheli yasho ukuthi hey ozelwe umfazi, imihla yakhe mincinyane emhlabeni, but kunabantu abahamba prematurely at the hands of abodada. Sometimes I feel very embarrassed. That's why I'm playing my part. I'm sure now you realize ukuthi why I'm out there around the schools, universities, in churches, ngiyokhuluma kakhulu particularly with men and boys. Ukuthi shenti bafethu dondi. If you're still thinking namanje umunye mhlambe kunesibhamu somewhere kunomese kunani, just let go and let God. Akekho deserve ukufa. Just because when you felt ukuthi no so ufuna ukuthi uyivala. Abanye abantu abawazi nokucontrol anger nama emotions. Let us consult. Mental health, it is very real. That's how we wrap the episode up. Until the next episode, I love you with the love of the Lord. Keep well and stay blessed. What an episode.